Don't we all want to live the Star Trek life? Well, I might be able to with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I am here in my attic, and I've got a light on down there that always stays on because this is dark. There's no windows. There's no outlet to have any light to creep in here. If you turned off this light, close that door, it is perfectly black. You could poke your eyeball and you'll never see it. But I have these lights right up here, and one of the things that I've always wanted, well, to be honest, it's those automatic sliding doors in Star Trek. But the one thing that they never seem to have are automatic lights. It's always like computer lights.
Computer lights?
So what's the point of that? I mean, we make motion sensing light bulbs, and I wanted to try these, and that is because if you can see up here to these little housings, they are kind of directional, like spotlights. And so I've got these kind of thin LED lights in there, and they're fine. I mean, they're very bright. They're probably a little overkill, but I still gotta switch on the lights from outside the room. And so I picked up these because they look like your traditional light bulbs. So a little round, but on the end here, the little reservoir tip is a motion sensor. And so if I put these in there and leave the light on, it'll be dark in here, saving power and energy, saving the planet, being a planet superhero, which everyone wants to be these days. But if I leave that power on and come in here and need something, boom, hopefully I will be flooded and bathed in beautiful, bright light. So I'm going to take these light bulbs out and put these in, then we'll see if they work. All right, I'm sneaking back in. I don't know why I'm being quiet, but let's open the door. Okay, so this light always detects me. I'm not actually sure how it's doing that. I think it might be the light leaking from the door here, but it does go off, and I saw it go off, and then I was kind of opening the door, and I opened it like this much, and it went back on, so it's pretty sensitive. But it looks like that light is not on, so let's see if we can trip it to come on. Oh, there it is! Just like that. I don't know, man. It's kind of really recessed in there. It might be a little hard to see, so I'm surprised that the sensor can detect me. I mean, I can barely see the tip of the sensor there, so I'm not sure how it's working. Maybe a little light is bouncing off of me or whatever. But what I love about this is now I can walk in, I can come over here, get my Gammo air rifle or my Crossman pump, go out, get some varmints, some critters, and I don't have to turn on the lights. The lights will come on automatically. I am truly living in the Star Trek realm. So if you want automatic motion sensing light bulbs that look like regular light bulbs that will turn on, are very sensitive. So pretty cool. Very simple. If you want to pick up this 2-pack of motion sensing light bulbs, see, it just went off there. Okay, maybe that was a minute or two. I don't know. Let's see. Boom, just like that. Then I'll put a link to these light bulbs in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.